Hi friends, I am Bhaskar. Today let us try to understand about dimensions in measurement. Dimension, which is very significant as good as units. To start with, let us enter into the knowledge level to know about the contributions and what is dimension. Who has given the concept of the dimension? There are many scientists like Rene Descartes who has given the substantial development of higher dimensional geometry in the 19th century. Apart from Descartes, Arthur Cayley, William Rowan Hamilton, Ludwig Schlafly, Bernhard Riemann also gave the different levels of information on dimensions. What is dimension? Dimension is a minimum number of coordinates required to specify any point within it. That is, dimension is a physical quantity which is the index of each of the fundamental quantity like length, mass and time, which expresses that quantity. That is, dimension is a space an object occupies. From this, we can get into the understanding level of how dimensions can be classified. Dimensions can be classified into many different types. To start with, zero dimension, that is point. First dimension is a straight line. Second dimension is a flat plane figure. Third dimension, that is three-dimensional space, creatures, worldly objects, solid figure. Though our human eyes can only show two dimension, but still third dimension is so significant. Fourth dimension, apart from space, time also is included, who has given the concept of time by Hermann Minkowski in the year 1908. Then fifth dimension, that is gravity with electromagnetic force, as per Kaluza and Klein theory in 1921. Sixth dimension considered to be symbols and communication. Seventh dimension is energy. Eighth dimension is a light. Ninth dimension is a creation, that is form and hierarchies. 10th dimension is universal parameters. 11th dimension is the origin of universe. 12th dimension is the source. And 13th dimension is the intelligent source. From this, we can get into the significance or why, that is application of dimension. That is, dimension is a state of consciousness and means of organizing different planes of existence according to the vibratory state of that which is in existence. That is, each dimension has a set of laws and principles that are specific to be frequency of that dimension. There are 26 dimensions of closed unoriented bosonic string theory, which is interpreted by Jordan algebra. From this innovation level of dimension has basically three different uses. That is, in physical science, equations of motion, it is very much useful. We can derive equations of motion, and also we can check the correctness of the equations like principle of homogeneity. Apart from that, from one system of unit to another system of unit also it is possible by means of dimension. Thank you friends. If you want, you please subscribe to get further videos, and you can also share